guys, and welcome to my channel, Moonlight Minerals. Today I'll be making a dyed jade bracelet with gold rhinestone rondelles. As you can see, here are the rhinestones right here. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to cut my stretch cord. I'm going to measure it 6.5 inches, and then a couple more inches after that I'm going to cut it so there's enough room to close the bracelet. Now I'm going to stretch the cord. This keeps it from wear and tear when you're wearing it on your wrist. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start stringing these beads. But first, before that, let's lay out our design. We're going to do 4 and then a rhinestone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, look at that. It's not an even number. As they say, happy accidents. Let's try every 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, that's not gonna work either. Oh, I know. We're just going to do every 4, but just add an extra bead, which is fine. It's better to be, I'd rather not be too tight than not be too tight. Because if it's too tight, then the elastic shows. All right, there we go. Start stringing the beads. Oh, and this little guy right here is my lucky charm. That's Pikachu. I'm gonna let him watch me string these beads. Now, I'll do a time lapse so you won't be sitting here watching me string the beads. Okay, now that we have our beads strung, we will close it. I'm going to make 1 knot. And then go around twice to secure it. And then one more time, just to be safe. And we're going to cut off the excess. Don't cut your knot, just cut off the excess. See? And there you have it. Some people like to put glue on there. I don't. It looks fine without the glue. I might even trim this a little more. There it is. This is what it looks like on.